Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pine Bluff local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a local and long-distance moving company doing business in Pine Bluff, Arkansas for more than 10 years. We have been providing trusted local and long-distance moving services so that you don't have to worry about having to deal with an inexperienced or untrustworthy mover. 3 Movers offers affordable long-distance moving services with no hidden fees or charges. We are licensed, bonded, and insured. Our movers specialize in helping customers relocate across the country or internationally. They also offer packing services to ensure that your valuables reach their final destination safely. With many years of experience, we have helped countless customers move across the country with ease. We are licensed and insured for your protection. Our movers will arrive at your home or business on time, ready to pack your household goods. 3 Movers is a full-service moving company that handles local, residential, and commercial moves. Our team of professional movers will pick up and carry all your belongings from one house or apartment to another. With extensive experience, 3 Movers ensures that every piece of furniture is carefully wrapped in protective materials, secured during transit. We are dedicated to making your move easy and stress-free. Our local movers provide all of the necessary packing materials and help protect your belongings during transport. The movers can also assist you with loading and unloading the truck or bus, taking your items to their final destinations. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pine Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.